Hey y'all, happy Saturday. Hope you're having a great day. When you're hopping on, say hello, let me know how you're doing. We are gonna paint some new trains and they are summer themed. I'm super excited because it brings me all the summery vibes. It makes the weather feel warmer. You know, all the things. How's everybody Saturday doing? Hope y'all are great. All right, let me find my comments here. Hi everybody, hope y'all have good weather where you're at and are doing great. Okay, so y'all love these train sets and so I have a new one. This one has a lot of train cars to it, so I just kind of narrowed it down to a 5 of them, but I also have the additional train cars available. So I posted all that in the VIP group, so comment VIP and check it out. And you'll see all the different train cars available. Hey, Miss Kathy, how are you doing? I'm gonna paint the stands really quick. I need to get this bunched up a little bit. Thank you, thank you. Hope you all are doing good. Hey, Miss Sandy. Been a busy day around here. It is very nice outside and I have been shipping and cutting and doing dishes and cooking and all the things. Hey Debbie, hey Charlotte. I have been busy today. Miss Kathy's visiting family. Wonderful. Sounds like a good Saturday to me. Let's see. I made a breakfast casserole this morning. So here's how I make my breakfast casserole. I cook like 2 rolls of sausage, like ground sausage. My camera's a little wackadoo. Hey Terry. So what I do is I cook 2 things of sausage and then I get like I usually use like a foil pan or just like a baking dish. And what I do is I get 2 bags of croutons. 1 or 2 bags, depending on the size. And usually I get like the cheese, like the herbs and cheese, or you can get like the Italian croutons. They're like $1 or something at Walmart. So I will do those. And so I put the sausage in the pan. Obviously I spray it, but I put the sausage in the pan, put the croutons and kind of mix them up. Hey Wanda, hey Autumn, hey Karen. And then what I do is I'll do like 15 eggs, 12 to 15, because, you know, I got a lot of people here. And I will like whisk those in a bowl and I put a can of cream of mushroom soup. And then I'll add like maybe a half a cup of milk to my bowl and mix all that up. And then I'll put like a cup of shredded cheese in the milk, mix it all up, and then I pour it all in the pan. And then I put more cheese on top and I bake it. Probably, I think I did like 45 minutes. This batch was a little bit bigger than normal. So about 45 minutes it takes to cook. Now what you can do is, which I've done before, which I did not do today, you can make it all the night before and then just pop it in the oven and it'll cook faster. Hey Dana. So it was good. It was delicious. So I made that for breakfast. And then for lunch, we've just been kind of like, well, we actually had that for kind of like brunch because it was a little bit later than normal. 10:30 or so. So that's what I did. And it's good because we have a little bit left over. Normally we don't, but today we did. Okay. I am painting summer trains because I love them. So make sure you're in my VIP group because here's the deal. This train set that I'm painting, there's 5 cars, but there's 6 additional cars. So there's like a bundle deal if you want all of them. So it's $22 for these 5 that I'm doing here. And then, I forgot the rest. Let me see. I forgot. Hold on, let me see. my Saturday is going great, very busy. Okay, so $22 for this set of 5 that I'm doing here. And then I have 6 additional train cars, and those are $25, but you can get all 11 train cars for $45. So however you want to do that, it's totally up to you. All right, so I'm doing nice and bright colors. Hey, Nancy. We need some bright colors in our life here. It is definitely summer weather here in Texas. Hey, Kelly. Oh, something else I worked on today is I put together some mystery bags that I'm going to release this week. So be on the lookout for that. I am traveling Monday through Wednesday for work. And so I will be live and stuff. I will still have $12 Tuesday. And y'all, I already have that ready to go. And it is cute. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, you're funny. Okay, I got you, Wanda. That's funny, Autumn. So $12 Tuesday is going to be really good. So I'll go live Monday night and give y'all a sneak peek at that. I'm actually going to Oklahoma for work. I fly out Monday afternoon. Oklahoma's only like 4 hours from here where I'm going, but I'm flying just because it's an hour flight. So y'all know I will be, y'all know I'll be live. Received the Highland Cows today. I wonder if you have a new window interchangeable. I might, Dana. I need to check. I need to see which ones I've released and which ones I have not. So maybe. I'll put that on my list. Y'all, these darn little trains are so addicting. Terry, I've actually been with my company for 19 years. Like literally, so my oldest daughter is 19 and I started there when she was like 6 weeks old. So I've been there 19 years. And we are a big, big, big operation. And I'm a manager over a big team. A lot of my coworkers are in India. So I work with people all over the globe. So time zones, I'm always looking at time zones. Because everybody's on a different time zone. That's why, like, when y'all see me talk, when you hear me say, like, okay, I'm going to be on tomorrow night at this time, I always say the time zone. Because it's different for everybody. So, I am a boss of a bunch of people. And I love all my people. Okay, I need a green marker. I think I want this one. All right, we're gonna paint all of these little guys. Yes, I've been there a long time, long time. Very grateful. So I'll be doing that Monday through Wednesday, but like I said, I'll be live. I'll still have $12 Tuesday. I may do something a little bit different for VIP Wednesday, but just stay tuned for that. I'll still be live Monday night to give y'all a sneak peek for $12 Tuesday because it is going to be a good one. I'm so excited about these, and I like giving y'all sneak peeks. Hey, Miss Karen. A lot of orders going out today. A lot of orders from last night's sale are already going out. So, if you didn't get your order in from last night's sale, make sure you watch last night, okay? Because we had some cute stuff. I have just a couple bundles left. And you can, if you want to watch that and claim whichever ones you want, I can tell you which ones I have left and which ones I don't. Hey, Gabby. Hey, Xander. Xander. Turn it down. Y'all know, I'm like, all right, guys, mom's going live. It's like they turn up the volume instead of turn down the volume. That's okay, Terry. I'll send it to you. I may have the wrong email address for you. I'll send it in the message though. All right, so these are summer trains, and there's 5 different train cars. Need to make this look a little bit more crispy white. I'm using mostly markers for these. Y'all got to get these markers. They're on Amazon. Go to my VIP group and I have a post about them. Okay. There's that. So let's get all of our little... Let's glue this on. Y'all, I opened up my new glue. I needed to desperately. Okay. There's that. Okay. And then we have our cutie little strawberries, and I realized I need to paint the top of the little baskets here. And let me tell y'all, I may or may not have some new basket inserts tomorrow night. Stay tuned. I have like so many different ideas, not enough time to do all of them. I have some ideas for some new chunky stuff. Some decoupage projects. I just got some different paper we're gonna use. I've got like a lot of things happening. All right, let me put all these on here. These little tedious things. How are you, Miss Lisa? Okay. A little bit more. And then we're gonna put these on here. This reminds me of our little fruit basket with the basket interchangeables. It's like the same style. Oops, that doesn't go there. That one goes there. So some of these go a different direction, so make sure you get the right ones on. Like this one here, the little stem goes the other direction, but you can tell. You probably can't tell from there, but I can tell from here. Okay. So cute. I know my camera's a little wackadoo today. All right, so now we have lemonade. And we're going to paint it yellow. Use this end. It's easier. So this is like a little sign that's going to go up top. Oh, Nancy, there's no word for today. That's fine, Autumn. No worries. You just let me know. Just let me know. But I did want to tell you, so tomorrow's the last day to order our April craft box. Those are about to ship out. So comment April if you did not get one. When you comment April, check your messenger. And then there's a link that you can pay. Hey, Xander. Can you come here? Can you come here? All right. Now, we're going to paint. Can you go tell your brother to be quiet? Oh my goodness. Okay. So this piece here, we're going to do yellow. William is playing video games with his friend and they're kind of wild sometimes. Anyways, we are going to paint this piece yellow. But then I feel like we also need to do the back. Hey, Dee. Miss D, I am cutting your order right now. It will go out the mail. If I can get it packaged up before the mailman comes, it's going to go out today. Busy, busy, busy with Etsy orders right now. there's that. Let's get this piece glued down. You are very welcome. Oh, you know what? I need to paint this first. And then put this down. There we go. Okay, so now we've got this piece we're gonna do pink. We're gonna make it like pink lemonade and regular lemonade. All right. This one's gonna be pink as well. Nice and bright colors. Y'all do me a favor and share the video. Please, please, please. Greatly appreciate it. All right, this one we're gonna do blue. Okay. And then let's do, hey Julie, thanks Lisa. I don't know if I want to do this white. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and paint my lemons yellow. I love using these markers. I have always been one to like doodle with like little markers. I used to buy those like coloring books that were mandalas or whatever you call them. And use like the fine point markers. So where is my, oh, right here. This goes here, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue it down. Let me see. I don't know what color I want to do this part. I guess I'll do this one in here, white. This middle part. So make sure y'all check out the VIP group because I posted the other 6 train cars as well. There's like a crab and like little flip-flops. There's a little picnic basket, another lemon one. There is an ice cream one, a little sandcastle one. Y'all, they're really cute. There's a bundle deal for all the train cars as well. But I wanted y'all to see the photo of them. Okay, this is gonna be blue, I think. Yes. So inside these wheels, it's gonna show. Just gonna paint these here. Okay. And then let's do these wheels yellow. Yeah, these are well worth it for $5.99 for sure. Okay. So let me go ahead. Oh, I don't know why I painted those because I painted these blue. Duh. I was like, something ain't right. Whoopsie. Okay. Let me glue these on and then the blue's going to show through here. Like that. Okay. And then this long piece here, this pink one is going to go there. And I think I left my piece to this there's a little sign right there. I think it says fresh squeeze. I think I left it in the other room with my other train cars. Whoops. So I have to glue that on once I'm done. Whoopsie. Okay. That's a little crooked. All right, so now we have this one that says summer. And first of all, we're going to, I'm gonna use a different yellow, like a kind of a golden yellow, just to change it up a bit. Okay. So let's paint this part. And this one is Anita's bright yellow. It's not as golden as I thought, but I just wanted to do a little bit different. A different yellow. And then we'll go around here and paint the sun. The outer part, I should say. Okay. Okay, and I think some parts down here are gonna show. So I'm gonna paint all of this yellow all through here. And then even though the words are gonna go on top, it'll cover up where it needs to. Okay, so let's do some blue here. And then we're gonna do blue for the letters as well. The word summer. Okay. Okie doke. All right, there's that. And then I'm gonna do, I don't know if this blue is much different. Yeah, I think it is a little lighter. So this part down here, the little bar, I'm gonna do the lighter blue. Okay, let's glue that. And then just make sure we match it up. Wait a minute, I gotta paint this first. Whoopsie. Because I won't be able to get into the like areas here. So let me just do this really quick with my pink. Now we can glue it. Okay. There we go. All right. Cover your yellow marker tips. Okay, I will. Hold on just a second. I know, I'm letting them dry out. Thank you, Miss Nancy. I need to put all the tips on. There we go. All right, lid on that. Lid on the green marker. Oh, look, I found my fresh squeezed. I found it, I found it. Hey, Teresa. There we go. Goes on this one. I was like, I knew I had that thing. It ran away. It grew some legs and ran away. All right, fresh squeezed. We have summer on this one. What do I want to do? Let's do orange. Yes, on here. Hey, Roxanne. Do you sell the tray behind you on Etsy? Which tray? The ladder. The ladder, this ladder here. The ladder with the two things. Yes, those are on Etsy. There's two different sizes. There's a 3 shelf and a 2 shelf. Let me double check I think there's 2 different ones on there. And let me see how much they are, because I don't remember. I think one was 20 something. No. So 32 for the 12-inch, which is the 2 shelf. And then 42 for the one that's 21 inches. So unpainted. So the 2 shelf is $32 and the 3 shelf is $42. So 32 and 42. So if y'all want one, let me know. We make those. My dad actually makes them. They're nice and sturdy, and I have like 3 or 4 of them around my house. We also do paint them for you, but if y'all want to paint them yourself, because y'all are DIYers. But yes, they are on Etsy as well. Okay, let's do... Yeah, so the tall one is $42, and it is 21 inches tall. You're welcome. You are welcome. Okay. This next car that we're gonna paint is cute. Has some watermelon. All right, let me glue this on. Oops, I need to fix this piece. Okay. Steady, steady. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and glue this on our little wheels. All right, that's gonna sit over there and dry, and we're gonna do our last one. This one has watermelon. It is really cute. Okay. So back to my yellow marker. And so let's put the lid on. And then we're gonna do orange here. So this part of the wheels will show through. Okay. All right. We're gonna do this green. Let me see if no, I'll just use this one. We'll use this green. I'm gonna go ahead and paint our big watermelon here. This marker isn't too... It's kind of sad. Okay. There we go. It's coming to life. Kind of. I know that sound is horrible. Okay. Now let's see. We'll go ahead and do our word sweet, our little banner. All right, so y'all let me know if you want this set. So these five summer trains are $22. And then I have an additional 6 train cars that are, so these are 22 bucks, and then I have 6 additional train cars for $25, or you can get all 11 of them for $45. So if you want to add it onto your order from last night, you certainly can. It's totally up to you. All right, now let's do our watermelon. Where did my thing go here? There we go. So the outside is going to be green. Let me do the inside first. Oops. No, come on. Runaway marker. So I'm going to do the inside, and then I'll do the around the edge. Hey, Miss Tammy. Okay. All right, so, and then we'll do the little watermelon seeds. We just need to do the wheels. Okay. We're gonna do this part pink. Okay. All right, there's that. So now let's assemble our pieces. There's that one. And then that little watermelon piece. Hi, Millie. All right, let's do our little banner here. So we have the word sweet. Y'all, these are tedious, but they're fun and they're like therapy. Okay. Last 2 sets of wheels. Thanks, Nancy. So I did that yellow. Let's do blue. The lighter blue. Are you using markers? These are paint markers. So I got these on Amazon. Connie, if you comment VIP, it'll send you a link to my VIP group, my free group. And I have a link for the markers in the group. They're only $5.99 on Amazon. It's kind of unheard of, but they're really good. It's like a pack of 20 something. I know, me too, Miss D. It's kind of like, it's like therapy. Therapy for sure. Okay, let me let that dry. Okay, let me put lids on things. And yeah, y'all need to grab these markers. Okay, so the longer one here is that one. I love the strawberry one. Strawberries are a big thing right now. You are welcome, Miss Connie. And then let's do the sunshine. Wait a minute, that moved a little bit. That's good. Okay, so there's that. I'm trying to make sure y'all can see all of it. Let me pull it back a little bit. I gotta glue that other piece on. All right, let me do this really quickly. All right, and scoot it back just a little bit more. This one will go at the back. And then let me give that one just 20 more seconds. So y'all, all 5 of these, $22. There's also an additional 6 cars, okay? So that photo is in the VIP group. So you can get the whole shebang for $45, all 11 summer train cars. And honestly, like some of them, you could do like all the fruit together or whatever you want it to do. So there is our first version of the summer trains. Aren't they fun? So if you want just these 5, it's $25. If you want just the additional train cars, this additional 6, that's $25. Sorry, these are $22 for the 5. Did I say 25? I don't know. Or all 11 for $45. So y'all let me know what you want, okay? And then last night was our live sale, so make sure you get your orders in, and you can add these trains to your order if you would like, okay? Let me know if y'all have any questions, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye, y'all. Aren't these so damn cute? Can't reach the camera with these in the way. All right, y'all. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.